I just wanted to share with you a quick tutorial about how to go about your Trello board and these elements that I've included in your file. So once you open your Trello template, you'll notice the terms of use, but this is where you're going to find the link and some very important information. So go ahead, you'll click on that and it'll take you, you can scan this QR code here, or you can go ahead and click the link here. But I want you to notice something here with which just says important. Okay, so it says you must click the box that pops up to create the board from the template. That is not going to make a bit of sense yet. Okay, but we're going to go ahead and click here. It's going to open it up and it's going to look like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blow mine up just a smidge so you can see. But now, okay, if you start trying to make changes to this, it's probably not going to let you. It will for me because I'm the owner, but up here it's going to state this is a template. Okay, it's a public template that you now have the link to, and you have to create a board from the template, okay, because you're not going to be able to change it unless you do that. So create the board from the template. Go ahead and name it whatever you want and put it in whichever workspace you want, okay? So go ahead and you'll create the board from that template, and it'll say that it's creating your board. All right, so now we have our board. It doesn't state that anymore, and you can make all the changes you want. What I have done is I've included something called a brain dump, because if you're like me, your brain is full of stuff that you need to do either for your classroom, for your teachers pay teachers products, or whatever you're going to use this calendar for. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some things from my brain dump, okay? So for myself, I need to do an Instagram post, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in Instagram post, all right? And then I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna say, I need to create a pin for Pinterest, okay? And these are for my products. Maybe I need to update the descriptions for my products. And that would be like SEO stuff. Maybe I'll look into that and see. All right. So this is kind of what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go through and create this brain dump that I need to do. All right. Maybe I need a haircut. Okay. Maybe I need a pedicure. That's just for fun. All right, so now I've got my brain dump, and over here you're going to notice that I've already created your template all the way from July through June. Okay, you don't need July. Just go ahead and delete this whole section if you want to. Okay, and this whole section is just, you can't delete it. It'll say archive. So just archive that list. And then you've got August. We'll just go ahead and archive August, okay? But you will have this for next year. So I wanted to go ahead and add that July and August so that you have it to start your school year, all right? So just any of these that you don't need, just archive that whole list. Well, now I've got my brain dump, and what I want to do is I want to decide when I'm going to do these. All right, you'll notice under here it has what looks like an attachment, and it is, okay? The attachment are each of these elements. This attachment says September. This attachment is week 1. This attachment is your washi tape for the to-do list. And you're going to understand what these elements, why they're important. Okay, so the headers are never going to move. Under week 1, all right, I might say, I need to do an Instagram post. I'm going to drag that under my week 1, all right? I need to create a pin for Pinterest. You know what? I'm going to do that on week 2. My haircut is probably not going to happen until maybe week 3. And then you know what, I'll get a pedicure that same week, and then updates for my SEOs. Let's add that in also for week 1. Okay, now these are things that I must do. These are things just during the week that I need to take care of. Well, this says to do. Well, I'm going to go ahead and create a to-do list in this file. So instead of dragging and dropping, I'm now going to click this, and you're going to notice over to the side, this right-hand side, checklist. Well, I'm going to create a checklist, and I'm just going to title it checklist for now. Okay. And you get to create your own checklist of little things that you need to take care of based on those brain dump items. So if I'm going to update the descriptions for my products using SEO, maybe I need to research some of the SEO keywords. That's something that I need to take care of. Maybe I need to look at the products that I have that need updating, because maybe all of them don't need that. Okay, so I'm just going to continue the Instagram post. Maybe I have some so get ideas, okay, for reels. Maybe I need to research some quotes that are for fall. Okay, you're going to go ahead and create your checklist, and it's going to be a more detailed thing that you're going to do. All right, and then as you check these off, you can just go in and click the box. All right, and it will tell you what percentage is complete. And then you'll notice under your to-do list, it'll say 1 out of 4 things have been completed. All right, so it won't actually show you what's there, but it's going to give you a number, an amount. It feels good to check those things off. These are going to be your big things. These are going to be all the little things that you need to take care of. You can drag these things, move them around as you want to, okay? But this to-do list can also just be right above your major things that you need to take care of. So move these around, drag them around, use these how you want. And if you don't want the washi tape, okay, if you don't need this, just go ahead and click on this and archive it, all right? And it's gone. Okay, so let's say that I delete something or archive something and it was the wrong thing, okay? Command Z or Control Z doesn't work in this. Edit, undo doesn't work. But what you have to do is go over here to your menu. So we're going to show the menu, and you go down, and here's all the activity. It says, oh, I archived this. Uh-oh, I don't want to. So I'm going to go down to where it says that I can send it to the board or delete it permanently. Well, I want to send it back to the board. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. So I'm going to recover that, and it's all back. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or need help with any of your Trello elements. Thanks for watching.